The Oxiline Pulse XS Pro is a pulse oximeter from Oxiline that measures your blood oxygen levels in seconds. The bigger question is how accurate those readings are, and whether this tiny device actually earns a place in your routine. For that purpose, in this video, I'm unboxing, reviewing, and testing the Oxiline Pulse XS Pro, an FDA-cleared fingertip oximeter, to show you how it works and who it's best suited for. Shopping for the best finger pulse oximeter starts here. I've got a special deal for you on the Oxiline Pulse XS Pro through the description and the QR code currently on screen. An oximeter fingertip device is a small clip you place on your finger to measure blood oxygen and pulse levels in seconds. And this one adds a few extra layers on top of that basic job. Now, let me open up the Oxiline Pulse XS Pro and see what's included. So, inside the box, I've got the Pulse XS Pro itself, 2 AAA batteries, a wrist lanyard, and the user manual. Once I power it on, the first thing that stands out is a 1.5-inch crystal OLED screen. On that display, you can see 4 pieces of information at the same time. Your blood oxygen saturation, which ranges from 35 to 100%, your heart rate from 25 to 250 beats per minute, your perfusion index, which gives you a sense of pulse strength, and a live plethysmograph waveform that displays your pulse rhythm as a moving graph. That gives the device more depth than a lot of compact pulse oximeters in this size category. You're getting the headline numbers plus additional context about signal strength and pulse rhythm. The screen also rotates 360 degrees by pressing the power button, so no matter how I hold it, the readings remain easy to follow. The unit itself is lightweight as well, weighing just 1.34 ounces without batteries. That makes it comfortable to hold and easy to carry in a pocket or small bag. The build feels sturdy, the screen is bright, and the text is easy to read at a glance. Oxiline also says the 2 AAA batteries can power the device for up to 24 hours of continuous use. And the unit automatically powers off after 15 seconds of inactivity to help preserve battery life. So, straight out of the box, the Pulse XS Pro comes across as compact, polished, and extremely easy to use. Going further, what pushes the Oxiline Pulse XS Pro beyond a basic reading tool is everything built around the measurement itself. Oxiline says its VTech sensor system is designed to detect subtle fluctuations and deliver more stable readings, which is one reason this starts to feel like a potential best oximeter contender rather than a simple click and check device. You're also getting custom limit reminders, allowing the Pulse XS Pro to beep whenever your oxygen level or pulse rate moves above or below the range you've selected. Then there's the app, and that's a major part of the overall experience. It stores unlimited readings, builds trend history over time, exports PDF or CSV reports, and syncs with Apple Health or Android Health. That gives this compact device a stronger case among the best pulse oximeters, especially for anyone who wants more than a simple heart rate monitor style reading. Here's another reason to keep the Oxiline Pulse XS Pro on your shortlist. My special offer is waiting in the description and through the QR code on screen. And Oxiline backs the device with free shipping, a lifetime warranty, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and HSA FSA eligibility. Now I'm going to show you how to use a pulse oximeter with the Oxiline Pulse XS Pro. First, I install the 2 AAA batteries into the battery compartment. After that, I take one finger, usually my index or middle finger, and slide it fully into the chamber. Positioning is important here. My fingernail needs to face upward toward the sensor, and my finger needs to be inserted all the way. A partial fit can affect the accuracy of the reading before I even press the button. Once my finger is in place, I press the power button and keep my hand still while the device starts measuring. That's a key part of the oximeter test. I don't want my fingers shaking, and I don't want unnecessary movement during the measurement, because motion can interfere with the signal. When everything is stable, the Pulse XS Pro responds quickly. In my test, it took around 4 seconds for the readings to appear, making the process feel fast and easy to repeat. On the screen, I can immediately see my SpO2 reading, pulse rate, perfusion index, and the live pulse waveform. This helps demonstrate the oximeter and how it works in a simple and visual way. It's giving me the primary oxygen and pulse measurements along with additional signal information. Once the reading is complete, the app makes tracking much easier because the result appears there automatically. I can review the latest reading, then go back through my history and trend charts without needing to write anything down. During my testing, the readings also lined up closely with the numbers I typically see during doctor visits, which made the overall experience feel dependable and straightforward. In the end, after using it, a few things stand out right away. First, it's comfortable and easy to read. The screen is sharp, rotates fully, and makes the readings easy to view from different angles. Second, the accuracy appears strong, with Oxiline listing roughly a 1 to 2% margin throughout the primary measurement range. Third, it goes beyond basic oxygen and pulse readings by displaying perfusion index and a live pulse waveform directly on screen. And the biggest upgrade is the Oxiline app, because it allows me to save my history, monitor trends over time, and export my data whenever needed. For me, the Pulse XS Pro is a good fit for adults tracking heart rate or blood oxygen, health-conscious users who want clean digital readings, and anyone looking for a reliable, user-friendly oximeter. And just a reminder, I've got a special deal on the Oxiline Pulse XS Pro in the description, so make sure to check that out before you go. Then watch another health tech video here on Cybernews, and let me know which device you'd like me to test next.